So I was going to make a video of this earlier today. I opened it and then this was like melted shut and the lid wouldn't even twist off. So I got a new one. I probably should have recorded that because that was kind of funny. I was like, what is this? It's like a prank bottle. Can't even open it. So anyways, this thing comes like this. There's this glue stuff that you can kind of just peel off, like the stuff you get in the mail. But I'm going to leave that because I tore 3 off the other one before I returned it. And they just said, just get a new one. Anyways, it comes like this. Alright, this is basically the cheaper version of the other stuff. They have like little trays with stuff already in it. This is basically the same food stuff, but instead of in a tray, it just has these little paper things that you put it on. Okay, and here you can see the directions don't really say much. Basically, it just says place these where ants usually are coming in and just put the stuff there, and it said to be generous with it. So let's go ahead and pour this stuff on. Is there there's a lid on it. Okay, so yeah, so I did have to unscrew the thing to even do this. So we have to unscrew this, and that one wouldn't unscrew. I was like, if I can unscrew it, I'll just pour it on the thing, but I couldn't even unscrew that. So let's peel this off. Well, I'm amazed the camera's wide angle view is that good because this bottle's like less than an inch from the lens. Okay, so we're just gonna peel this thing off. Yeah, so the other one that I had, the bottle, like there wasn't even a seam. This thing was completely like melted and indented inwards, curved in, and yeah, there was no way you could open this because like the whole one half was all melted and the other side was not, and there was no like actual lid, and then it was like glued onto the top. But anyways, let's go ahead and put this stuff onto the little pieces of paper, okay, and then we'll come back later and see how it's doing. So we're just gonna drip this stuff here, okay, just like that. You can see I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, just like that, and we'll do one more over here. Alright, there we go. And we'll just wait for the ants to come. We'll be back, and you guys will see when ants start eating it, assuming the ants start eating it. Alright, see you guys then. Alright, looks like we got some action here. You can see the ants are all surrounding that and eating it. This one's the closest to the window entrance, so I think that's why it has the most. This one has a couple ants there eating. And this one is all alone. Nobody cares. It's too far away from the rest of society. So I'm gonna have to refill this one later. Oops. I'm gonna have to refill this one eventually. There you can see. Alright, I'll see you guys when there's more. Okay, so the ants are going crazy for this. You can see, but they're also crawling over my plant stuff still. Alright, they're getting more interested in this one, and you can see now they're forming all over the window crack. They're all going through. And the other one is still all alone. None of the ants care about it. Not even one. So I gotta move this one somewhere probably. And yeah, alright, we'll see you guys later. Alright, so I moved that one there, and we'll see if they're more interested because it's right next to the window thing where everyone's going. You can see already a bunch of ants went to it. One ant like kind of walked on it, which I'm surprised because it's still very liquidy. And this one is getting teamed up on. So I don't know how I'm gonna put more without drowning them all. So we'll probably have to wait till it's kind of almost all gone, and then they'll probably all start moving to these two, and then I'll put some more. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, so here's what it looks like now. Looks like there's less ants around it, huh? Alright, what about these? Oh, they all moved over here. See, they had easier access. And they made this almost like a heart. There you go. I don't know how that little droplet separated from the rest. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like in the morning. It's now like 3 a.m. or something, so we'll see. Alright, see you guys tomorrow, or in the morning. Alright, so here you can see the ant activity greatly slowed down. There's 2 ants there. And looks like there's no more ants here. So I don't know if it's because it's too hot right now with the sun shining there. They don't want to sit on it. But I guess we'll find out. We'll take a look again later in the evening and see if anything changed. Alright, see y'all later. Maybe I'll add some more new liquid. That way it's more fresh. But right now I don't see many ants, so I think we might be good. Alright, so as you can see, there's like random, like 1 ant here and there. But for the most part, all the ants are gone. And that was after just 1 day, so this stuff works really quick. I don't know if that ant's even, is that ant actually getting more poison? I don't know. Sometimes they get stuck in the stuff and then they're just stuck there, but I don't know, is that one alive? Is it moving? Oh, it actually is. Oh, it's not focusing enough. There you go. So I don't know if you can tell. Yep, it's still eating that. So, looks like there's still a few stragglers left doing their thing. The other one disappeared. I don't know where it went. But yeah, for the most part, it cleared them up. That's it, and I used barely any. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, I need to throw this. I forgot to water it at one point, and it dried up and died. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye. Alright, so I dripped a little more on top of these two because the thing was all dried up. I don't really see too many ants, but I found out they're hiding here. Maybe that's why the dill's dying. I don't know if you can, let me zoom in here and see if I can show you. Look, they're all hiding in there. Like, what the heck? I don't know what they're doing in there. Maybe seeking the shade. But anyways, we'll see. I'll leave that there for a few hours and we'll come back and see if the ants are eating it. Alright, bye. Alright, so no more ants. Alright. Ants are, as far as I know, all gone from here. Alright, no ants there. I found out where the missing one went missing. My brother said he had ants upstairs and then he took it. And yeah, I was worried. I was like, did something eat it? But yeah, all the ants are gone, and it only took like a couple days or so for pretty much most of them to be gone. There were a few more left, and then those just disappeared after a little while. But that's all there is. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Bye.